In this video, I'll show you how you can add a custom domain to Blogger, so you can go from a URL like this to a custom one like this. So here we are inside of Blogger. If I go to view blog, here is my blog, which I'm going to add a custom domain to. You can see we've currently got the blogspot.com domain, and we're going to change that. So go ahead and go to Blogger, and when you're on your blog, go to settings, and then when you scroll down here, you can go to publishing, and you can see the current blog address is streamingmadeeasy.blogspot.com. What we want to do is enable a custom domain, so go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and enter in your custom domain. Now I've bought my domain on Namecheap, and I'm in the back end of my domain. You're going to need to go into the back end of your domain in whatever domain registration company you've used, whether you've used Namecheap, GoDaddy, or so on. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my domain that I've bought. Then we're going to go back to Blogger, and I can paste it in. Once I've done that, I can then click save, and what it's going to do is it's going to give us an error message. Now I forgot to enter here www. So make sure you do that, and then click save again. And it should give you here the right error message. This is what we're looking for, and we can now get started. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and enter 2 CNAMEs to our domain. We can do this in the domain company that we've bought our domain on. So here we're looking at name, and the first name is www. So go ahead and copy www. Then go back to Namecheap or wherever you've bought your domain. And on Namecheap, we want to go to advanced DNS. You need to find this on your domain company, registration company, but on Namecheap it is under advanced DNS, sorry. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove any CNAME records which are currently on here. So you might have that on yours, just go ahead and remove them by clicking on the trash icon. Now we're going to go ahead and add a new record, and we're adding a CNAME record. And then the host is www. Now go back to Blogger, and we need to paste in the destination. Now the destination is ghs.google.com. So go ahead and copy that. Go back to the DNS and paste it in here. So ghs.google.com, and then go ahead and click on Save Changes. So that's just one of 2. We now need to do the second one. So go back to Blogger, and we can see here the name of this one is quite long. So make sure you copy all of it. Then go back to Namecheap, and then add a new record, and we need to now add a new CNAME record. Here is the host, and then we need to go ahead and copy the destination, and then paste that in as well, and then click on Save Changes. So now you've done everything that you need to do on Namecheap or your domain registration company. Now go back to Blogger, and then click Save. And as you can see now, it has worked. So now our custom domain is streamingmadeveryeasy.com. What you need to do is enable the redirect domain. So when someone types in just streamingmadeeasy.com, it will redirect to www.streamingmadeeasy.com. So just go ahead and enable that.